Hi, friends. All right, today we're going to talk some more about penguins again. So today we're going to talk about penguins and what they eat. So penguin can eat up to 20 fish an hour in a day. So we're going to be talking about some penguins and how many fish they can eat in that hour. So we have some equations to solve with this. So look at my first problem here. It says a penguin eats 10 fish for breakfast, then 3 more fish a few minutes later. How many fish did the penguin eat in all? Well, I'm going to use my number rack today to help me. So I know that the penguin ate 10 fish, or I know that that top row is 10, so I'm going to move the whole row over. Then he ate 3 more fish a few minutes later. So I want to write an equation to go with this. So let me get my marker here. I have 10 on the top row plus 3 gives me how many fish altogether here? Let's count on 10, 11, 12, 13. That penguin ate 13 fish. Nice job. All right, let's do another one here. So let me get rid of this. And let's reset our rack. Okay, so we're reset. Let's look at our next problem here. This one says, Penny ate 10 fish for breakfast on Sunday. Then she ate 6 more fish. How many fish did she eat in all? So let's look at our numbers here. First, she ate 10 fish, and I'm going to write my equation first this time. She had 10 fish plus 6 more. And they want to know how many she ate in all. So let's go to our number rack here. Okay, so we have 10 plus how many more? Well, we know this is 5, 6. Okay, so I'm going to move those over. Remember, we want to move our beads over in as little pushes as we can. So 10 plus 6. Friends, what is 10 plus 6? Let's count on. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have 16 there. She eats 16 fish for breakfast. Now, let's look at our next problem here. It says, remember Penny ate 10 fish on Sunday. 16 fish on Sunday. Remember she ate 16? We just figured that out, okay? She had 16 fish on Sunday, okay? Well, on Monday, she only ate 9 fish for breakfast and then 6 more. How many fish did she eat in all? Well, friends, 9 plus 6. Well, I just solved for 10 plus 6, right? So let me see. And that was pretty easy because I counted 10 and then I added 6 more. But this time we have 9 plus 6. So let me reset this again. Let me push this all back. So 9 plus 6. So let me write that first. 9 plus 6. Oops, sorry. All right, so let's figure that out now. 9 plus 6. Well, let me move 9. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 plus 6. 5, 6. 9 plus 6. Now, if I have 9 plus 6, well, I could figure that out. I could start with 9 and then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, I can figure it out that way. But wouldn't it be easier if I could somehow make this up here 10? Oh, that would be super easy, right? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take away one of these ones at the bottom. I'm going to put it back over here. And instead, I'm going to move this one up. So now I have 9. And instead of having 6 down here, I'm going to make a group of 10. Okay, so I took one away from here. That way I can make a group of 10 up here. I just replaced that bead, all right? So now I have 10, and I can count 5 more. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 9 plus 6 is 15. I just made a group of 10 to make it easier for me to count. She has 15 fish for the day, okay? Let's try another one like that. We're going to try and see if we can make this go to 10 to make it easier for us to look at and to count, okay? Because that's a really good strategy to help us when we're adding. If we can make the 9 to a 10 and then add, all right? So let's reset this again, okay? And I'm just going to give you some problems now to solve. So let's start with 9 plus 2, okay? 9 plus 2, okay? 9 plus 2. Okay, well, instead of moving over 9 and 2 more, right, let's move over 10, right? We're going to take from one of these ones. So let me show you how we do. Let me back up. Hang on, let me back up. So if we were to move 9 and then 2 more, okay? Instead of doing that, well, let me make it easier to look at. Let's make this a group of 10. So let me move one of these back so I can move this one forward, okay? I'm just replacing it. That's all I'm doing, okay? 10, now I can count easier. 10, 11. Oh, 9 plus 2 is 11, okay? And that makes it just a little easier for us to count. So now I have 11 there. All right, let's try another one. Let's try 9 plus 4. So if I have 9 plus 4 more, and I need to find the answer, okay? And we're just trying to make it easier for us to count. That's all. So if I have 9 and 4 more, okay? Well, I want to make this a group of 10. So I'm going to put one back and just pull one out from the top instead. I'm just replacing it. That's all I'm doing is switching it out. So now, easier to count. 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, I can easily see that 9 plus 4 is 13, okay? Let's try another one. If I have 9 plus 5, okay? What is 9 plus 5? Well, again, first I had 9, and then I had 5. 9 plus 5, okay? Well, I want to make this a group of 10, so I'm just going to switch it. Switching it out, making a group of 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, okay? So now I can say 9 plus 5 is 14. That's it, boys and girls. It's just a little different way to add. Kind of makes it easier on your brain when you know you can just step up that 9 to 10 and then add the rest. So all you're doing is moving that around, okay? That's all we're doing there, just making it a little bit easier to think about in your head. All right, friends, that's all for today. I will see you tomorrow. Take care.